The fuel rail pressure PID. With the electronic return-less fuel system, the ECM relies on the fuel rail pressure or FRP sensor for fuel pressure input right at the fuel injectors. By monitoring the fuel pressure, the ECM can then adjust the fuel pump's rotational speed and maintain a stable pressure. Once a stable fuel pressure is attained, the formation of fuel vapors in the fuel line itself is greatly reduced. The whole process happens very fast since it is electronically controlled. The fuel rail pressure sensor is a 3-wire piezoelectric electronic pressure sensor. This means that the sensor's resistance varies as pressure changes. The fuel rail pressure sensor is also connected in line with an internal ECM voltage divider resistor network. In some fuel rail pressure sensor applications, the sensor is also connected to the intake manifold vacuum side. In this arrangement, the sensor's signal output is a differential signal of fuel pressure to intake manifold, which the ECM uses to control the fuel pump speed, therefore maintaining the fuel in the rail in liquid state and preventing fuel vapors. The differential signal of the FRP sensor takes into consideration the amount of intake manifold vacuum of the engine. This way the ECM can properly control the actual amount of fuel leaving the injectors. As a rule, a 0.55 volts signal corresponds to 0 pressure, and 4.6 volts corresponds to about 70 psi. When analyzing this PID, make sure the small vacuum hose is connected.